Welcome to How to Write High Performance Voice AI Prompts in GoHighLevel, a simple, structured, step-by-step course that teaches you how to write a complete production-ready voice prompt from scratch. Now, this course is designed so that anyone, whether you're technical or not, can follow a clean framework and create a prompt that sounds natural, follows your rules, collects the right information, handles unexpected questions, and represents your business professionally. You're going to leave this course with a fully written, fully assembled prompt you can plug directly into GoHighLevel. Now, most voice prompts fail for simple reasons. They skip important background the AI needs. They don't clearly define the AI's role. They lack tone and style direction. They mix instructions and script lines together. They forget fallbacks, or the structure is simply confusing. The good news? You don't need to be an expert or write long paragraphs. You just need a clear framework and a clean order. Now, that's exactly what this course gives you, one piece at a time, in a way that's easy to understand and easy to implement. By the end of the video series, you'll have a complete voice AI prompt that includes your background, your persona, tone, instructions, script flow, fallbacks, variables, knowledge base usage, and success criteria. And then we assemble everything at the end into one clean master prompt. Now you'll walk away with a final prompt that is fully ready for GoHighLevel. Below is the new structured professional flow your course follows. Each module is short, focused, and builds the next piece of the prompt. In Module 1, we'll talk about background and context. You'll learn how to write a simple background section that tells the AI what the scenario is, who the business serves, and why the caller is reaching out. This sets the stage for the entire conversation. In Module 2, we'll talk about role and persona. You'll define who the AI is, how it speaks, and what success looks like for the call. Now, this gives your agent identity and purpose. When we get into Module 3, tone, style, and voice, here you'll set the verbal feel of your AI, including friendly versus formal, short sentences, natural pacing, conversational language. This is where the AI starts sounding human. In Module 4, we'll talk about instructions and interaction guidelines. You'll write the rules the AI must follow, one question at a time. Don't reveal it's an AI. How to handle interpretations, how to use variables, what not to say. This is the behavioral code for the agent. In Module 5, we'll talk about conversation flow and a script design. You'll build the structure of the call, greeting, identification, scheduling, or next steps. A clean flow ensures the call feels natural and stays on track. In Module 6, fallbacks and edge cases, this is where your prompt becomes resilient. You'll learn how to include clarification phrases, polite redirections, human handoff rules. This prevents the AI from getting stuck. In Module 7, Knowledge Base and External Data, you'll learn the right way to reference business hours, pricing, FAQs, services, availability. This keeps your prompt clean and modular. When we jump into Module 8, we'll talk about variables and personalization. You'll learn how to use dynamic info like contact name, service type, and appointment date. This makes the conversation feel personal and relevant. In Module 9, we'll talk about response format guidelines. Here you'll shape how the AI speaks, response length, word choice, pacing, clarity. This section supports a clean, easy to follow voice output. Module 10, success criteria and optimization. Now you're going to define what a successful call looks like, what metrics matter, what to check after launch. Now this helps you refine your prompt over time. Now stick with me. Module 11, final prompt assembly. All the sections come together here. You'll assemble each block into a single, clean, structured prompt that's ready for production. And in Module 12, Go High Level implementation. We'll finally learn where to place your prompt in Go High Level. We'll go over the advanced prompt mode, voice selection, optional knowledge base setup, quick testing, and final adjustments. Now, this ensures your completed prompt is ready for real callers. By the end of this course, you'll know exactly how to write every piece of high quality voice AI prompt, one section at a time, in a clean, predictable format that Go High Level works beautifully with. You don't need to be technical. You don't need to understand AI. You just need this framework. If you would like to take part in the full 12-part Voice AI Prompt Mastery series, join us at portal.leadx22.com. It's free. The link is also in the description. I'll see you inside.